Vehicle? Check out the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.